Okay, this is my review of the 90-piece first aid kit from Astroplast. The first thing I like this is just the compact size. As you can see, it's nice and neat. It's got some carry handles, and this cover is supposed to be water resistant as well, so you can just throw it in your glove box in the car, throw it on your boat, caravan, or wherever you're traveling, or just that will fit neatly on a bookshelf at home or wherever you want. It's compact. I like that. 90 pieces, so you're getting a lot in a small size. That's what I'm looking for anyway. So unzips, and then what you've got here is multi-compartments. You've got this piece here that flips up, and in here you've got some tweezers and some scissors, but there is also lots of spaces for other things you want to put in there as well, which I like, because I like to customize things sometimes and add my own choices. Then we've got these few compartments here, and then there's another zip compartment here as well. So as you can see, I'm moving it around. Not everything is falling out. A lot of the time you get these things and it's so cram-packed in a small and not particularly quality container, it all just springs out like a jack-in-the-box. This is zipped, and then in here you've got lots and lots of different things. I won't go through everything because there's 90 pieces and it'll take forever. This is saline. I think it's called saline anyway. Yeah, so what's useful about this is you open up and you can just spray it under pressure and really clean out a wound, which is really useful. Actually, a lot of kits don't have that. So that's useful rather than just those little disposable wipes. If you've got a bit of a gash or something, without going into detail, that is quite useful to spray that and clean it out if you don't have access to a running water tap, for example. Anyway, there's loads of different size bandages and different things in here. Plasters of various different sizes, as you would expect. There's some nice little touches which I've never seen before. Instant cold compress. There's something in here that you can break and then immediately put it on your head or a sprain or wherever. So again, out and about where you don't have access to a freezer full of frozen peas, very useful. Lots of other things, space blanket, you know, the slings, the usual sorts of things. But what I like is it's well laid out, it's well thought about, and there's still extra space for more things if you want to add your own little bits and pieces. So for the price, it's actually a very nice quality, well thought out kit. And yeah, it gets a big thumbs up from me.